All right, welcome to the series 2 of the hero section. So, here in this section, we are just going to go ahead and do the styling, the CSS styling for the hero here. So, this is the framework where we stopped. The hero section started from here. So, here. So, let's just quickly go to the CSS here. So the first thing I'm going to do, of course, this was what we did, the other place for the nav bar. So now I will just comment. So let me comment here and say this one is I'll just say this is hero section. Then that is it. So the first thing I'm gonna do here in the hero section is here I have the first class here. The section class is hero. So I will go back to my nav here and set dot hero. Then for the hero, I'm going to say position to be relative, padding 100 rem and 2 rem from the left and 6 rem from the right. Then main height 85 v8. Display to be flexed. Align all items to center. And justify all contents to center also. Now the next one is hero BG overlay. So here you see we have hero BG overlay here. So I'll copy this and bring it again to the CSS and dot and paste this. For this, I'm gonna have position for this to be absolute. Top to be minus 20%. Then left to be minus 50%. Let's just not use minus for the other one. Now transform to translate. X. So I will just have 50% here. Then width of 600 px. Height of 600 px. Background. So for background, I will just have radial gradient, and I will just have a circle inside here, comma RGBA. 79 comma 70 comma 229. So I will just calculate it, comma, and 0.25 for this. Then outside this, I will just have 0%, comma, RGBA. Then I can have another this, 15, comma, 23, comma, 42, comma, then 0. Then lastly here, I will just have 70%. So that's the color I'm going to be using. So for filter, I will use blur for now. Blur to be 80 pixel. Then glass for this. Pointer events to be none. Next. Now let's check and see what it looks like now. Alright, so we are still on this. So now let's continue with the code. So here, the next thing I'm going to be doing is the hero content. So I will just say, let me go and copy hero container here. Dot hero container. So for hero container, I'm going to have max width 900 pixel. Text to align all center. Z index of 1. And then also come to the badge. Hero badge here. This is hero badge. Let me copy the hero badge here and bring it here again. So for this one with hero badge, I will have display to be inline block. Background color, let us say background RGBA. I'll calculate it to be the first one here has to be 79, 70, 229, 0.15. Next one, I also add a border of 1px solid RGBA for border also. '79, 70, 229, then 0.3. Color for this is hash 818 CF8. Then I will also have padding of 0.4 rem and also have 1 rem from the right. Then I also have a border radius 0.4 rem. For border radius, let me just use 99px. Sorry for this. Then I also have a font size of 0.85. Then I will have a font weight of 600. Then margin bottom 1.5 rem. Now let's save this and go and refresh and see what we have there. Good. So this is our hero section now. See what it looks like now. So we are still on it. Let's go again back to our code. And this time we have to work on the hero title. This is the hero title. So let's take this and come here and set dot hero title. For the hero title, I'm going to say the font size will be 3.5 rem and the font weight is going to be 800. Line height of just 2. Maybe let's just do 1.2 for this. Then margin bottom of 1.5. Now we also have a typewriter. For the typewriter, let's just quickly check for this is the typewriter class here. So let's take the typewriter class here and bring it here. Dot typewriter. For the typewriter background, linear gradient 135 degree, comma, hash a 5b. Then I will also have another color to this, which is 818 CF8. Then I will have let me add a WebKit. For WebKit and WebKit dot background. Next one, so we have cursor, so I'll just say dot cursor. But let me go to this so we don't make a mistake. So this is the cursor here. So for the cursor class, I think you just make cursor. For the cursor, I will just have display inline block. Then I will also have a width of 3px to this. Background color could just be var primary. Animation, blink 0.8 seconds, infinite. So I just try to check that and see there. So now let's quickly go and create the animation. Let's save this. Then here is at keyframe for the animation. So keyframes is the blink. So for the blink keyframe, I will just use this and say 0% and 100. Then I can just have opacity here. Then I will have let the opacity be 1. Then next one, I can also have line height here. Or maybe let's also do 50% of this. And opacity of this can just be 0%. Or let's just leave it at 0. Now I can save this. Let's see what we have first for this. So you see, this is it. The typewriter is blinking here. That's the typewriter here blinking. Now let's go back again to our code. So here now we will now go straight to the hero subtitle. So let's copy the hero subtitle here. And here I will say dot and best hero subtitle. For hero subtitle, we will say font size 1.15 rem. Font size 1.15 rem. Then color var text mute. Line height of 1.6. Well, let's just do 1.6 and leave the rem for now. Then we will also have margin bottom of 2.5 rem. Then for the hero box, so let's just do slash this and name this place hero search box. So for the hero search box, let's go and copy dot hero search box. This is it here. Dot and paste this. For hero search box, we are going to say display to flex gap to be 0.75 rem. We also add max width of 600 px. Margin to be 0. Auto 2.5 rem. Then next one. The next one now is hero search input. So dot hero. No, I want to bring everything from here. Hero search input here. So we don't make any mistake. I need you to follow up step by step. So for this, I will just say flex. Flex is 1. Then I will say the padding 0.8 rem from the left and 1.2 rem from the right. Then the next one, I will also is the same thing, and input. So for this, I will say the width is 100%. Then next one is let me comment here and say category tags. For the category tags, let's go and copy category tags class where we have the category tags. This is down here. And bring it down here. Dot category tags. For category tags, we are going to say display to flex, align items to center, specify content to center, gap 0.75 rem, flex wrap is to wrap. Next, dot tax label. For the tax label, let's go and check for the tax label. This is it, tax label. So let's copy it here so it doesn't look like you are lost somewhere. Then So it's better we pick everything from here at once, so you get to know how we get it. Alright, so now for the text label, font size will just be 0.85, 0.85 rem. Then we will also have color to be var, text muted. Then tax group, copy this, dot tax group. For tax group, just say display is flex, gap is 0.5, and flex gap is also to wrap. Then the next one is the tag, so just say dot tag. For the tag, I'm going to have background here to be var bg surface. Next one, border 1px solid var border. Color var muted. Padding 0.4 rem, left and right 0.8. Border radius 8 pm px. Font size 0.8. Cursor to pointer and transition to var transition. We are done with tag. Now the next one is tag over, so dot tag over. For tag over would say background is RGBA. So for the tag over, we'll just say we use 255. Then Ctrl Z here 255 comma 255 comma 255 comma then 0.1. Then the lastly border color, so color can just be var and muted. Now we will quickly go to the responsive media. So here I will just say this is responsive media, but here I will, for the responsive media, I will come here and do slash, then this. Add media. Max width. Then I will just use 900 px. Then close with this. Open this. So for this, let's just refresh so we can see what we have there now left. Alright, so for this, let me save and refresh. Alright, so now you see it's well arranged now. Alright, so everything is arranged now here for the hero. So let me just quickly go back and do the media screen. Is not really necessary, but we can still do it to make it more better on the media. So here I will just do dot nav set, then you can say that the display is none, and you still have a slash height top slash on smaller screens. Then I can have this in slash, then that's close. But I don't really think let's take out this and do it for another class. So let's just stop here. So you see we are done with the hero section. I see how beautiful it looks like. So thank you for watching this series of the lecture. I hope you enjoy it. Hoping to see you in the next